we can see a problem that is design a phase lead compensator for the system shown in the figure. They have given the specification as phase margin of the system greater than or equal to 45, steady state error for a unit ramp input less than or equal to 1 by 15, and the gain crossover frequency of the system must be less than 7.5 radians per second. So solution, step 1 is determination of K. K value for a unit ramp input can be determined as Kv is equal to limit s tending to 0 s into K divided by s into s plus 1, that we will be getting as Kv value. Then we have to draw the Bode plot. For that, put s is equal to j omega for the first condition. Then we can draw the magnitude plot. We can draw the table. Then at omega is equal to omega L, we will be getting the dB magnitude as 44 dB. At omega is equal to omega C1, 24 dB. Omega is equal to omega H, we will be getting an minus 16 dB. We can draw the magnitude plot. Similarly, phase angle plot, the table we can draw. Then we can draw the phase angle plot. From that, 5GC we can obtain as minus 167 degrees Celsius. Gamma phase margin 180 plus 5GC we are obtaining as 13 degree. But our required phase margin is 45 degree. Available is 13 degree. So lead compensation is required. For that, we will be taking epsilon as 5 degree and we will be obtaining the phi m value as 37 degree. From that, alpha we are obtaining as 0.25. Then dB magnitude, from that omega m we are getting as minus 6 dB. So for that omega m is 5.6 radians per second. So T we will be obtaining as 0.36. GC of x we will be getting this function. We will be drawing the block diagram. From that we will be drawing the, for the compensated system, the gain we will be obtaining. Then for that we will be finding out the magnitude plot and phase angle plot as in the same manner.